Hello, my dear students. Hope you are fine. Very good morning, all of you. This is Shrikant. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about the topic, that is how to locate the centroid for a composite area. Okay, so in the examination, a composite area will be definitely given for you. What is the meaning of composite area? Composite area, in the sense, it is the combination of different regular areas or irregular areas. Okay, so as far as your B.Tech syllabus or the semester examination is concerned, you will be definitely getting the composite areas having regular areas only. Okay, so what is the meaning of composite area? Means you have to go for the combination of different areas. Okay, now just see here this question. One second. I hope you can see the figure clearly, all of you. Yes. Okay, so this question is given for 10 marks. Okay, in the year 2020, that is R19 regulation, JNTU Kalikiri is given for all of you. Okay, now in this question, this is a composite area. Okay, so what he was asking, find the centroid of the plane uniform lamina. Plane in the sense a two-dimensional body. Okay, shown in the figure. Fine. Now for this plane area or for this composite area, we have to locate the position of centroid. Okay, so this total composite area is made up of a rectangle of you. First one is a rectangle. Second thing is semicircle we have, and third thing is nothing but a triangle. Again, I'm repeating all of you. So here we have a composite area having three number of areas. So one will be a rectangle. Okay, so one will be a semicircle and one will be a triangle. So 1, 2 and 3. We have totally 1, 2, 3, three number of areas here. Therefore, this becomes a composite area. Right, we shall calculate the centroid. The first and the foremost important point is here, all of you, clearly to locate the centroid of any area, we have to first of all fix the reference axis. Okay, not only this problem, for any problem to locate the position of centroid, we need to first of all locate the position of the reference axis. Okay, so my suggestion is what, you always take extreme bottom as x-axis. Are you following, all of you? And you always take extreme left as y-axis, all of you. Okay, so again I am saying here, so this is extreme left, this is extreme bottom. I am taking extreme bottom line as x and I am taking extreme left as y. Okay, so therefore this has to become definitely our x-axis. Okay, and this has to become definitely our y-axis. This is the picture, x and y. Okay, so this is fine. Now we shall locate the centroid. So now all of you, we have totally three number of areas. For three number of areas, okay, or if we have any number of areas more than one, I am having three. Now I am having three. Sometimes in the examination you may have some 4 or 5, or you may have sometimes 2 also. Okay, so for number of areas, the composite area can be anything. The number of areas, XC will be definitely equal to how much, summation of I equal to 1 to n. We can take it as AI xi divided by summation of I equal to 1 to n. It becomes definitely a. Now tell me all of you here, how many number of areas are there? I am having three number of areas, area 1, area 2, area 3. Therefore I can write this one as finally xc is equal to, in place of n I can go for 3 maximum, and in place of n I can go for 3 maximum. Therefore I can go for definitely like this, that is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 multiplied by x3 divided by, we can write this one as a1 plus a2 plus a3 is the picture. Similarly, y coordinate yc, we can write this one as a1 y1 plus a2 multiplied by y2, next a3 into y3 divided by, we can take it as a1 plus a2 plus a3. Again I am having a doubt, Sir, why you are taking plus plus? Because here we are adding all the areas. We are adding all the areas. Okay, sometimes in the examination we need to subtract the areas. So in that case we have to go for something like A1 minus A2 minus A3. In next coming hours I will definitely go for a problem which is involving the composite area, okay, where we can determine the centroid for the subtraction of the areas. Okay, all of you. So this becomes the total area, all of you. Now from this area, sometimes we have to go for subtraction, sometimes we have to go for addition. So here we have to add all the three. Therefore, I am adding all the three. That's it. There is a picture, all of you. Okay. Now the point is what, we have to locate the position of centroid. There is nothing but x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. We have to locate. Okay. Now just see here. First of all, I am writing the area A1. Here I am writing all of you. So area A1 is equal to, so you can just form a tabular column here. No need to worry. Okay. You can just form it. It is up to you. Without forming also we can do that one. I'm just forming a tabular column here. The picture. Okay. So 1, area 1, area 2. Okay. And this becomes the first one, the second case. Okay. So here you can say one thing, that is the area A1, okay, or we can just write this one as simply corresponding area. Okay, so we can go for x coordinate, at the same time we can go for y coordinate. Okay, so what becomes area A1, the area A2, the area A3, we have to write, all of you. At the same time we should write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, and then y3 we have to go. Anyway, you can form, not an issue in that case. Okay, all of you. Now, tell me, all of you, what is your area A1? Can I say this becomes the area A1 or not? Yes, I am just marking with the colors. You can just identify. This is my area A1. Am I right, all of you? Yes. It becomes my area A1. First one. Okay. So tell me what becomes the area A1 here. So it is a rectangle. Rectangle means base into height. Base into height. Therefore, it becomes how much? 10 into 5. 10 into 5. Okay. So, centimeter square is the value. Okay, fine. What about the area A2 we can have? Okay. So, this is like a semicircle. Am I right, all of you? It has to become 100% semicircle. I am just marking like this. 1 second. You cannot see this one. Okay. Semicircle area. I'm just marking with the yellow color. In this case, all of you. There is a picture. Okay. Right. Now, can you say what becomes the area of a semicircle? You know very well, for a semicircle, this has to become definitely pi r square by 2. You know very well. Pi into r square divided by 2. Where I am writing the radius is equal to how much, please, all of you? Can you see from the figure? Yes. Okay. So this radius is given as how much? 2.5 is the radius we have. I am taking it as is the value. Okay. So what becomes the area A3? So this becomes a triangle, all of you. So for a triangle, you know very well, the area has to become half base into height. Okay. So base into height is the area. So what becomes the base? 5 is the base. What is the height? 5 is the height. Therefore, I am taking this one as finally. So half base into height. You can calculate the value. So base is 5, height is also 5 here. Okay. Now I am writing x coordinates. Be careful, all of you. Very simple. Just try to identify. Simultaneously, we can go for y coordinates also. No need to worry. So listen carefully the point I am saying this one. Clearly, all of you. For determining x coordinate. For determining x coordinate, we have to take y as reference. for getting x, we should take y as reference. Okay, now tell me all of you, for this rectangle, what is the base we have? 10 is the base we have. Therefore, I can say that definitely this becomes the position of centroid or not? Yes, C1. Am I right, all of you? Centroid C1. Okay, so where is our y-axis? This is the y-axis. Where is centroid? This is centroid. Therefore, what is this total distance? Can you say? This is a rectangle. So for this rectangle, this is centroid. Okay, so if it is 10, this has to become 10 by 2, nothing but 5. This 10 aithe, this 5 avutundi. Okay, so from here to here, what is the distance? So this is 5 plus this is how much? 5. Okay, therefore this has to become how much? 10. Here I am taking it as 10. Now, what about y coordinate? Can you say? For y, we should take x as reference. We should take x as reference. Okay, now this is centroid, all of you. What is total height we have? 5 is the height. Now this is the x-axis. What is half of the height? This becomes how much? 2.5. This total height is 5. This becomes how much? 2.5 is the value. Therefore, I am taking this one as 2.5. This one is how much? 10. Okay. So what about this one? This is the position of centroid for all of you. Can you say what is the position of centroid for a semicircle? Everybody knows this one. Okay, I will explain this one. You see, this is the easy, for example, diameter. Check it, all of you, clearly. Okay, so this is semicircle. I am taking all of you like this. A semicircle I am taking. Okay, now for example, if it is your axis, x-axis. If it is, for example, your y, I am taking for example. Okay. So x I am taking, and this one is nothing but y I am taking, all of you. Okay, so this becomes always the position of centroid, all of you. Centroid C. Okay, so then what happens, you know, this height will be definitely equal to how much? This will be definitely equal to, the value is 4 into r divided by 3 pi. This is the picture. 4 by 3 pi. But remember, all of you, here only many students are getting confused. This is a diameter. This is a diameter. So from this diameter, what is the position of centroid? 4r by 3 pi. But now here, this is my axis. Okay, but this diameter, I need this distance. Okay, so that is the point is, this is the position of y-axis. And this is the position of centroid. We need this distance finally. I'm sorry. So this is y, this is centroid. We need this distance. Can I say this will be definitely 4 by 3 pi or not? Remember, again I am saying, all of you, diameter nunchi centroid varaku the value will be 4r by 3 pi. But we need this distance. Therefore, I can say definitely, here I am writing the x2 coordinate has to become definitely total radius minus how much? 4 into r by 3 pi. Am I right, all of you? This is the picture. Okay. Sorry, following what I am trying to say. One more thing is left over, all of you. What about y2? Very simple. Okay. Now, y value we have to measure from where? X-axis. Okay. So, this is x-axis. This is the position of centroid, all of you. We need this height. Okay. So this total diameter, therefore this becomes the position of centroid distance. Therefore I am taking this one as y2 is equal to how much? Simply we can take it as radius r. That's it, over. What is radius r? 2.5 is the value over, all of you. Okay. Now what about the position of the centroid C3? Here I am marking. Okay. Now tell me, all of you, these are y-axis, these are x-axis, please. These are x-axis. This is the position of centroid. Okay, therefore finally what we need, please tell me. We need this distance finally. Okay, therefore we need actually how much? The distance is nothing but y3. Okay, so y3 will be how much? Tell me. This height is 5 plus, this is my reference axis, this is the position of centroid. So 5 plus, what is this height? Can I say this becomes 1/3 of the height or not? If total height is h, the position of centroid from the base will be always h by 3. Okay, therefore I am taking this one as 5 plus, what is total height we have? 5 divided by 3 becomes that. Okay, now what about the value of x3? I am writing here x3 is equal to, okay, these are my reference axis, all of you, reference axis. So this is the position of centroid. So reference axis, centroid. So what this distance will become? Can you say how much distance is? This is how much? 2.5 plus 5. 2.5 plus 5 plus this becomes how much? B by 2. Again I am saying all of you, if it is total base B, the centroid will be how much? Definitely half of the base here. Okay, so this is my reference axis, this is the position of centroid. 2.5 plus 5 plus 2.5. Therefore I am writing this one as here x3 I am writing because there is no space. So 2.5 plus 5, 1 second, 2.5 plus 5 plus 2.5. Let me write all the values, all of you here. Okay, so what is x2? R minus 4 by 3 pi. This is R. So what about the value of y3? Okay, so 5 plus 5 by 3. Centimeters. Okay, all of you. So after calculating, you can determine the value of xc. At the same time, you can determine the value of yc also. Are you following, all of you? This is the picture here. Okay, so all of you, please subscribe to my channel to get the live updates about the classes. In next coming days, I am going to plan a free course which involves only the solutions of previous question papers for all the state universities. For all the state universities like JNTU, SVU, okay. So JNTU Hyderabad, it can be any state across Indian country. Any student can utilize this class. Okay, so whatever the questions may be, questions can be from any university, but the topic is same, the concept is always same. Okay, all of you. So good luck. Thank you. Bye.